Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we will solve an algebraic condition by using basic algebraic tricks. How? For this purpose, let's begin our video. So our given question is, if x minus 9 over x equal to under root x plus 3 over under root x, then find the value of x plus 9 over x. In order to solve this condition and finding the value of this thing, first we will convert this value in a square form. How? I can write this x as under root x or whole value square, because when I cancel this 2 with this root or this square with this root, I will get x is same as question. And I can also write this 9 over x is equal to 3 over under root x and applying a square to this condition or over this condition. Okay. After changing this value in a square, I can see that, or we can see that this condition is clearly same as a square minus b square formula, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. If under root x is a and 3 over under root x is equal to b, I can expand this formula as x plus 3 over under root x into under root x minus 3 over under root x, and under root x plus 3 over under root x is same as before. Now this x plus 3 over under root x and this x plus 3 and upon under root x is cancel out, and we will get under root x minus 3 over under root x equal to 1. Now in order to get this condition, we will apply squaring on the both sides of this equation, and we will get x plus 9 over x minus 2x into 3 over x equal to 1. How? You can clearly see that this is a minus b whole square formula, and we know very well a minus b whole square formula is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if under root x is a and 3 over under root x equal to b, then this value will expand in form of x plus 9 over x minus 2x into 3 over x equal to 1, because when we apply square on 1, then we will get this 1. Now this x and this x will cancel out because this is in the multiplication and this x in division. Now we will simplify this condition. So x plus 9 over x is same as before, 2 into 3 is 6 and 1 is same as before, and this 6 will go to the other side of equation and it will convert into plus 6 and 1 plus 6 equal to 7. So x plus 9 over x equal to 7. This is the answer for this value. So I hope you like this video, or this video is very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.